Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel an order on Domino's app. So here are some easiest ways to cancel your Domino's order manually, simply following the instruction given below. That launch the Domino's app on your mobile if not already opened, then check the order status in the My Order section, then click on the customer care option from the main menu on the Domino's app. Then you will be connected with a virtual customer care executive bot. Text cancel my order and hit OK. Then you can also go to my orders to cancel the order. Tap on cancel order and this will be confirmed if the order has not gone for preparation and you have cancelled well in time. So make sure you just note this point perfectly. You may also call the customer care number to try and cancel the order. It is now up to the discretion of the Domino's outlet to cancel or not cancel the order depending on the quantity and time of placing the order. The refund will be transferred back to the original payment method within a few days. So just like this, you will find like this where you can just cancel the order, all the orders here. And that's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.